when we practice Kriya Yoga meditation, then one by one many mysteries are revealed. One important point, when you increase practice and become greedy of practice, that we want to get everything in short span of time, then what happens? I am ready to explain it. For example, food is very important. In order to get more power, let us have greedy activity, eat more, man more, to get more energy. Then we will find opposite. If water is very important, keep on drinking more and more water, you will find problem in kidney. All over body you will find any bones are weak, teeth will be weak, all parts will be weak if too much water is drinking. Now let us try to think about this. We want to know ultimate reality. What is the ultimate reality? Any person may be handicapped, blind, or paralyzed, sick. Still that person is ocean of power and knowledge. You cannot say that a handicapped person or sick person, they are not having power. Let us think of hydrogen, oxygen, both are gases and both flies. Both cannot exist in one place. They are moving. But when they join together, then they become handicapped. They cannot fly until they accumulate heat and becomes vapor. The same water become ice. More handicappedness, cannot even flow. Exactly in the same way, we are here in the form of this head to toes. We identify ourselves with this body. Where I am standing here. What is my ID? This is ID. This is photo. This is not reality. The self is something else. Self has created this head to toes. But self is more than that. Self knows how to create many body. Self knows how to create the universe. Therefore self is different than how to understand self. Now let us try to see this diagram. Imagine that this is the filament, bulb, and lights are going outward. When lights are going outward, then we are able to see human being, animals, plants, and many other objects, sun and moon and stars, so many things. And when we are having outward direction, my consciousness is outward. All the time I am thinking about others, about this plant, about planets, about so many things which is happening around. All the time we are thinking more and more on that. Then our senses are outward. In that we are having power, there is no doubt. Because we go to the university, we become a student, we do research, we get something. All things are discovered. But in reality, we cannot know our real nature. When we become Nobel Prize winner in all subjects, physics, chemistry, engineering, medical, philosophy, if you have Nobel Prize every year, still you cannot know the reality, self. Then how to know the self? This is the highest education. If you know the self, then we become knower of everything. Let us imagine that all this visuality, all these things, whatever you see, is because of these radiations coming out of here. Earth is condensed sun rays. Moon and stars are condensed sun rays. And what are these sun rays? Visible and invisible. What is this sun? Source of sun rays. In order to know the sun, you have to connect yourself with the sun. but that is very high temperature. We are able to connect ourselves with the sun when we are at far. We are here, we have connected ourselves with the sun, therefore we are seeing this light. We have connected ourselves with the all creation, but maintaining certain distance. Tiger is there in forest, my each and every cell is connected with the tiger, but in safe mode. Radiation of my body is reaching to the tiger, tiger body radiation reaching to me, but there is no danger in this. If you want to become very close to tiger, you want to sit side to side, then you have to know your real nature. What is our real nature? Immortality. Ahimsa. What is our real nature? Eternal peace. Moment we feel eternal peace, then tiger will not have any violence. Tiger will not feel hunger and thirst when tiger is sitting around. When hunger disappears, thirst disappears, tiger never eat. Tigers do not have greed, that after seeing the animals or human beings will jump and eat. No. When they are hungry, only they will attack. If you have eternal peace, if we have realized ourselves, that self is eternal peace, immortal consciousness, when tiger will come, tiger will have eternal peace, hunger will stop. Desire of eating will stop. This is the science. Now what is the highest thing in our life? Try to realize self. How to realize self? All the time my attention is outward. Therefore Krishna Bhagavan, Yogeshwar, the Lord of Science of Yoga, he has explained, Arjun, you do not know what is virtue, what is sin, what is loss, what is gain, what is good, what is bad. Try to forget everything. The only you have to follow my principle, that's all. Try to follow it and do not think that this is good or bad. When he advised that you have to understand and you have to pronounce, you have to experience, Ashwatthama is dead. Ashwatthama was son of Dronacharya. Arjun denied, no master, I cannot speak lie. Ashwatthama is not dead. But there was no war and fight. What we observed that Ashwatthama was son of Dronacharya in the battle and he died or not. Ashwatthama is called effect of karma. Just I am habitual. Let us have an example. We go to the bed at 11. Get up morning at 4. Oh, this is very nice. You are going to be self-realized master in this. In reality is that this is false. Okay, all right. Then I will awake the whole night, I will sleep the whole day. Because it is written in scripture, yogis are always awake when others are sleeping. When others are awake, yogis are sleeping. Okay, all right. Now I have decided that I will remain awake throughout the night, but I will sleep in day. Then what effect I will get? Self-realization, never. Whatever you are doing, you have no effect of that. Effect of karma does not exist. Okay, all right. I talked to you in bad manner and you gave back the same voice. You talked with me bad manner. Then what I understand, I gave you bad things, you gave me the same. Therefore, I am having problem. In reality, whatever I gave you, if you are in deep sleep, it will have no effect. And whatever you are giving me, if I am in deep sleep, I will have no effect. Therefore, this my talk and thought will make any change? Never. Therefore, this is the highest teaching, effect of karma never exists. Therefore, Krishna Bhagavan advised, Arjun, all the time you are thinking what is sin, what is virtues, what is good, what is bad, what is loss, what is gain. Try to get away from this dual concept. You do not know anything. Just follow me. Arjun, if you follow me, you will be saved. What is the following of Krishna Bhagavan? Pay attention to head to toes. He explained this head to toes is reverse tree, Ashwatha. Root is up, branches down. And in this, whatever we feel, pain, pleasure, comfort, discomfort, all are omniscient consciousness, knowledge of all kinds. Okay, all right, now I have decided to practice it. Now I concentrate on head to toes. What I feel, perspiration, giddiness, vomiting, diarrhea. Why it is happening? Before I was having morning walk, nice, going in the garden, in the park, doing some sports. I was very nice. But when I close my eyes, concentrate on me, when I feel more and more, I don't feel good. Remember, understand here. When we are outward, then how much this rays we are experiencing, intensity is less. We are standing somewhere else and we are receiving the rays. When outward, then you see intensity of spiritual current is less. When you are concentrating on self more and more, intensity will increase. It is not easy to tolerate intensity of spirituality. Therefore, never become greedy that you have got in cessation steps. Now you are going to practice 500 Kriya every day, so that you must gain 500 years per day. It is not going to happen. And you will feel a lot of spiritual voltage, then you cannot tolerate it. As you see, if this is the filament of bulb, and what is the intensity of light here? Very high. As it is radiating outward, intensity is decreasing. Exactly in the same way, a real filament is in medulla. When we concentrate ourselves, then our consciousness of mind, originating, ego, chitta, all are moving towards medulla. Then you will feel more and more spiritual voltage. In beginning you will not tolerate. One day I was conducting classes of the kitchen persons. Then I just told him how to charge your body battery. Moment they turn eyes upward, they start feeling giddy and they went and they have vomiting, perspiration, diarrhea. Because turning vision upward, immediately you are in touch of high voltage of spirituality. If you are not able to tolerate, then try to keep little eyes open, do not concentrate here, little far. Then keep on coming nearer and nearer. The moment you will have full concentration here, then voltage is very high. Therefore this is explained very clearly. Within this filament is the cause of the whole creation. Imagine that this is the sun. Sun is the cause of this whole earth. Sun rays has condensed and become earth. But this earth cannot be near the sun. It will melt. Therefore this is called child of a sun. Sun which is in the sky. This is a child of a sun. And always in a safe mode. This earth cannot move towards the sun because it will melt. Exactly in the same way, this body is created by self. That self is inside medulla consciousness, kutastha. But it is having little distance with the kutastha. Moment try to feel it more and more, it is shifting. Consciousness of mind, reasoning, body, senses, all are shifting towards kutastha. Then you will get more and more stamina, vitality, more and more power and knowledge. But, okay, all right, it is very nice, I feel peace, I will do more. Never do without instructions. Somebody keep on doing, then body become like skinny. And when somebody is very fat, their body reduced to normal. If body is very slim, it swells. Your body will be exactly what is needed to experience your joy and peace, to experience power and knowledge, to experience vitality, immunity. Automatically that kind of body will come. You have not to think of weight, that what kind of weight and how much weight we should have. Never think about it. about your weight and height and color, everything. Forget the whole thing. Just follow this. Concentrate on more, head to toes, more and more. Whatever you feel, presence of God. And concentration method, recharging. Bhrumadhya, concentration. Watching of the breath, internal sound, head and spine, and various changes within whatever we feel. Keep on concentrating more and more. You will find our journey is towards God. This is 100% proven system. When you will practice, you will have very, very nice experience, but never become greedy. We have decided to enter into heaven together. And if really you have decided, then practice whatever I say. Do not overdo. And if you think that you are ready to practice more, we can sit together, we can again reorganize. How many times you have to practice initiation steps. Now, second important thing, this whole world, whatever we see, it is manifestation of God. God has become the whole world. Let us see this example. This is a stand, this is a metal wire, and try to create vibration in the wire. When the wire will move, you will have sound waves. The wire has become sound waves. Keep on increasing frequency, then you will find light radiations are coming, radio waves are coming, electromagnetic waves are coming. As you increase vibration of this wire, you will find different radiations. So many kind of radiations. These radiations are children of wire consciousness. As this wire is able to manifest in the form of so many waves, exactly in the same way, God has become all creation. Therefore, never criticize anyone, never think anyone is weak, maybe handicapped. That person is also complete presence of power, knowledge and peace. May not be, suppose ice is there, ice and ice block on the Mount Everest. Many ice block from 1,000 years in the same condition, not melting. Then you cannot say this age of ice block is more, age of water is less, because it evaporates. No. Age is one. Age of vapor, water and ice is one. You cannot define age on the basis of visuality. Therefore, reality is something else. And we have something different in our mind. Therefore, there is a struggle in that. Therefore, I have only one point very strongly. What is virtue sin? Nobody knows. What is good and bad? Nobody knows. What is loss gain? Nobody knows. What is anything? Nobody knows. When you practice to learn self-realization, then we will know everything. Moment we know ourselves, then we will know everything. Moment we know that self is an omnipresence consciousness, it is omnipotent, omniscient, oh, this is very nice. Then you will know everything. Before that, whatever we are knowing is illusion. Therefore, never try to fight among each other. For example, brother, sister, parents, children, husband, wife, and two friends, they always fight. I am right, I am right. In fact, both are not right. Till we meet again, fighting should not be there. In your home, in your mind, around you. This is very important. And till I come again, keep on concentrating on head to toes more and more. When we are sitting, when we are standing, when you are working, all the time. With the one concept, God has become your presence. You are not weak. You are not small. You are not uneducated. What is education? Something has been printed in the book. You have to read, this is syllabus. And head to toes is book of eternity. All engineering, medical, philosophy, everything, what we read in university, you can multiply million times. That is your presence, your head to toes. It is book of eternity. Therefore, what is the conclusion? Our journey is towards the self. Try to feel ourselves more and more. But I have to talk to you also. How are you? I have to inquire everything. But remember, if I am concentrating on you, my concentration will be only 25% on you, 75% on self. Then there will not be any mistake. Otherwise, I will concentrate too much. Oh, something bad with you? No, you are not looking good. Then, oh, something is good. What you have eaten? You have increased your weight. Oh, something is bad. Why you are in this way? Therefore, this is called unnecessarily talk. When you have more concentration on external object, less on self, then we have unnecessarily talk and thought all the time. Therefore, remember this. 3 fingers towards the self with the thumb together will not move, and 1 finger on external object. And how you will follow this discipline? Practice Kriya Yoga more and more, one day you will get it.